Hi, this video is for those of you working on the k sound. Okay, says k. So the way we're going to do this is I'm first going to teach you how to say the sound. So when I make the k sound, my mouth is open, my tongue is down, and my tongue is pushed back. And the k sound, our voice is off. So you should not feel vibration in your throat. So what we're going to do is I just want you to first listen to me say the sounds. Okay, so I'm going to say words at the beginning, words that have K in the beginning, words that have K in the middle, and words that have K at the end. So just listen to me say them. Key, car, cap, can, call, catch, keep, cape. Now words that have K in the middle. Bacon, marker, baker, pumpkin, circle, sneaker, popcorn, bucket, and now k at the end of words. Bake, talk, fork, lock, bike, pink, shark, make. So now we're going to start where I say and then you say. So we'll first start in isolation. So I will say the sound and then I want you to say the sound. I will point to you when it's your turn. Ready? Now we're going to put them into sound syllables. So we're going to add a vowel. So let's go key, kai, ko, ku, eek, ike, oak, ook. Now in the middle, eeky, ikey, oaky, ooky. Let's do some word practice. So I say, you say. Key, car, cap, can, call, catch, keep, cape. In the middle of words, bacon, marker, baker, pumpkin, circle, sneaker, popcorn, bucket. And now the end of words, bake, talk, fork, lock, bike, pink, shark, make. Now we're going to do some phrases. So typically we say I see, I want, I can, my, and fill in the blank. So just a really short, predictable phrase that kind of makes sense. So I'd say, my car, my key, my cap, I can, I catch, my cape. Now in the middle of words, my bacon, my marker, my pumpkin, my circle, my popcorn. And now the end of words. So I bake, I talk, my fork, my lock, my bike, my shark. And now we'll do sentences. So typically we create our own sentences using the target word. So I will give some example sentences, but you can create your own that make sense using good grammar. So I'll start with k at the beginning of words. So I need a key for my house. I can drive my car. I like to wear a cap. I can call my mom every day. Superman wears a cape. In the beginning or in the middle of words, I like to eat bacon. I like to draw with a marker. I think I'm a good baker. I like pumpkin spice lattes. And then at the end of words, so I I like to bake. I can talk. I eat dinner with a fork. I lock my house. The shark has very sharp teeth. So that's it for the k sound. So we followed listening to just sounds, saying them in isolation, putting them into syllables, saying them at the word level, putting them into phrases, and then creating sentences with our sounds. Have a great day.